Introducing the Ninja Supra Kitchen System, a powerhouse of culinary innovation that's here to revolutionize the way you prepare your meals. If you're tired of cluttered countertops and juggling various kitchen gadgets, this 1,200-watt, 1.5 horsepower kitchen system is your one-stop solution. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive deep into its features, performance, and why it should be your go-to kitchen companion. Let's kick things off by talking about the heart of this system, the total crushing technology. Imagine having the power to crush ice, whole fruits, and vegetables into smooth perfection in a matter of seconds. Whether you're whipping up a refreshing smoothie, a creamy soup, or experimenting with creative cocktails, this technology ensures you get the ideal consistency every time. Say goodbye to chunky drinks and uneven blends. One of the standout features of the Ninja Supra Kitchen System is its incredible versatility. It seamlessly combines the functions of a blender and a food processor into one compact appliance, eliminating the need for multiple devices cluttering up your kitchen. The 64-ounce food processor bowl is a game changer. With the included dough blade, you can effortlessly make up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. No more tedious kneading or mixing by hand. This is a game changer for anyone who loves baking or enjoys making homemade bread, pizza dough, or pastries. But wait, there's more. The Ninja Supra Kitchen System comes with an XL 72-ounce blending jar equipped with a convenient pour spout. This is ideal for making large batches of smoothies, frozen beverages, or soups for the whole family. The pour spout ensures a mess-free serving, and the generous capacity means you won't have to make multiple batches. Cleaning up after cooking can be a chore, but not with this kitchen system. It's BPA-free and features dishwasher-safe parts for quick and simple cleaning. No more scrubbing and soaking your blender or food processor components. Just toss them in the dishwasher, and you're done. Now, let's talk about convenience. The Ninja Supra Kitchen System comes with 2 Nutri Ninja cups, complete with to-go lids. This means you can easily prepare nutrient-rich juices and take them with you wherever you go. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you don't have time to sit down for breakfast. One-touch pulsing provides you with maximum control over your blending and processing. Whether you need a quick blend or a more precise mix, this system has got you covered. In summary, the Ninja Supra Kitchen System is a true kitchen workhorse. It replaces multiple appliances with its exceptional blending and food processing capabilities. With the total crushing technology, dough-making prowess, and the convenience of Nutri Ninja cups, it's a versatile addition to any kitchen. So, if you're looking to streamline your cooking process, save time, and elevate your culinary creations, the Ninja Supra Kitchen System is the way to go. It's time to take your cooking game to the next level with this innovative kitchen companion. Don't miss out on the chance to own this exceptional kitchen system. It's a game changer for any home chef or cooking enthusiast. Get ready to unleash your culinary creativity and enjoy the convenience of having a versatile kitchen appliance that can handle anything from juicing to food processing, frozen blending to dough mixing. Make your life in the kitchen easier, more efficient, and incredibly delicious with the Ninja Supra Kitchen System. Say hello to a new era of cooking convenience. Get ready to revolutionize your kitchen. Click the link below to check out the Ninja Supra Kitchen System and bring a new level of culinary magic to your home. Your taste buds will thank you. Thank you for watching. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, and share it with your fellow foodies. Stay tuned for more exciting culinary adventures.